Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RNVA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a good solid move. I mean, from where it closed on Friday to where it is right now, I would assume everyone would agree, yeah, good solid day for the bulls. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at, 10 cents. Why is 10 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 10 cents. Any sort of closes below 10 cents, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, bounces around, and then heads back up like that. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game, right? Truly strong moves make progress in the upwards direction, and I'm defining progress and building as staying up above 10 cents. So if you haven't kind of connected those dots, in my mind, that is definitely the very important level of support going forward. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? Current kind of, I'm not sure if the price hit it today or not. Price got slightly above it, but 14.5 cents, I'm just going to leave as, I take that back. 14.5 cents is going to be the initial area of resistance, and the next key level after that up there at 16 cents. You can see 14.5 is coming from, there's a big base of, highs right around there. And of course, 16 cents is where the party stopped back here. Got somewhat close to it, and that's probably a stretch. Didn't really get that close to it, but got up in the vicinity of it today. So keep an eye on those levels of resistance. But really, in my opinion at least, breaking levels of resistance is not a huge priority at this time. The highest priority is just going through some healthy consolidations and building higher bases. So we'll see if the bulls can stay up above 10 cents or not going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.